eggs in their shell, uncracked 1 day on the counter at room temperature is approximately equivalent to a week in the refrigerator. When I used eggs at a rapid rate, baking every day, I always kept them on the counter, since they would not have to be brought to room temperature to beat easily to the ribbon or whatever. They should be good in the refrigerator for several weeks past their sell-by date, or on the counter for several days. 6 hours is fine, but that's in shell, not cracked eggs out of their shell. Out of the shell, eggs are highly perishable, what the health codes call a potentially hazardous food. Don't hold them for any length of time at room temperature. I would say no more than 30 minutes to an hour, less if you can. Lots of egg facts, see link 1. But they do insist that the eggs are refrigerated. Fresh, healthy eggs are protected by natural antibacterial enzymes and will stay good for at least 3 weeks without refrigeration. Chickens are brooded for about 3 weeks before they hatch, and it should be obvious that it would be at least inconvenient if the egg goes stale before the chicken is out. In Germany, eggs are not refrigerated in the supermarket. The recommended shelf life, best before date, is 28 days if kept refrigerated after 18 days, since the natural protection starts to deteriorate after approach 21 days.